What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of the Ghostwriter. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the brow. We're going to start with a curve in the center, coming down and then up. Now from the ends we're going to curve the brow, coming in and up on the left and right side. From the outside points we're going to work our way across the bottom of the brow, going out and then up. And we'll bend the brow going up and out towards the side. Now I'm going to tuck the bottom edge of the brow underneath. On the left, we're going to step in, curve all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and just pull that up towards the inside of the brow. Now let's draw two circles tucked in underneath the brow, starting over on the left at the very top. Draw a circle coming all the way around, and just tuck that in on the inside, and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw the nose, starting with a point. Just going to bend this out and down towards the left and right side. And then from the outside, we're going to curve this in and up towards the center point. And we'll fill the inside of the nose. Now from here, we move out to the side and draw on the cheekbones. From the outside left eye, let's step out. Just going to draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Line that up on the right. Bend this down and then in. Now from here it's going to curve up and then bend that down toward the side of the teeth. Now I'm going to draw 4 curves along the bottom of the teeth. Let's start from the left side, curve down and up. Same thing on the right. Let's add one more curve going up in towards the middle. Now from each of these 3 points, draw a straight line going up. And it'll connect the lines with a curve across the gum line. And then going up and down towards the outside. Let's add a fold along the inside of the eye, coming down and then out. Now we're going to go underneath the cheeks, curve the jaw, coming in, and bend that all the way down towards the bottom. And I'll draw 4 small curves going across the bottom, starting with the outside, and pull that up in towards the middle. From each of these points, draw a straight line going up in between the teeth, and then we'll close off the top and the middle, and then the sides. Let's add a curve along the inside for the tongue. And then we'll fill the top area in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now let's draw the outside of the jaw, stepping out, curve in, and then down toward the side. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the center point. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the side of the head. From here, bend this out, up, and then in. And then we'll layer the flames on top of the head. Starting back over on the left, come down and in, go up towards the top, and then bend that back out. Pull this down and in, go up, all the way down the center. Then another curve going up and then down. I'm just going to work our way up towards the right side. Back out, in, and then up towards the right side. Now I'm going to go back and add a fold to enhance the brow. Going up and then out on both sides. Now you want to surround the head with a flame. Let's start on the left side of the jaw. Start by going up, come down around the jaw, go out, and then up. Bend this back down, just going around the outside of the head. Just pull that back in. Just going to bend that back down towards the outside. Let's go over towards the right. Start by going up around the cheek, and then bend that up. Come down, around, and back up. Now we're just going to make our way up towards the center point along the top. Around, down, pull that in. Now just going to make our way around, out, and up towards the center point. Now we're going to work our way towards the left. So we'll swirl this around, and in, out, and then down. Make our way up and out. Just going to close off the side with one more curve. Now we're just going to add a few small flames along the outside. Just drawing a backwards S, closing off the bottom, add a small one on the top, and working our way across towards the right. Let's add a few spots inside the flame. Starting on the left, draw a circle. I'm just going to randomize the size as we go over towards the right. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start just underneath the jaw on the left, bend this out, and then down towards the hip. Same thing on the right. Now let's close off the hip with a curve. Let's go back to the left side, step up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. And then leaving a gap in the center, we'll draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's draw in the jacket collar. In the center, we go straight up, bend that out towards the left, and then the right. Now we're going to draw the bottom edge of the collar, starting back in the middle, bend this up and out, and go up and in underneath the chin. Now I'm going to go to the outside, draw two straight lines going out, and then bend the collar, going up and back in. Now let's work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. From the bottom of the buckle, let's step down, draw a curve, going up and then down. Leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, and down and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. I'm going to draw a curve going up and then down, aiming towards the heel, almost like a half circle. We'll leave a gap on the inside. Now going back up to the hips, let's draw the outside of the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now from the top of the foot, let's step up and add a curve to the edge of the boot. Step up again and draw that one more time. Let's add some spikes inside that trim. We start with two circles, one on the left and then one on the right. And then we'll wrap those spikes along the outside. starting with the left, we're going to go out and then back in. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the arms holding some chains. We're start from the side of the collar, then the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb, going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw that again, going up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple chain pattern. Let's start at the bottom of the fingers. We start with 2 lines coming down. Now I just want to round out the end. Let's leave a small gap and do that again, drawing 2 lines coming down. Round out the top, just touching the edge, and then round out the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we want to bend the chain across the top of the hands and then down. So let's start on top of the fingers. We're just going to angle this up and out. And then again, just rounding out the end. Let's go straight out towards the side with 2 straight lines. Round out the right and left side. Now I'm going to bend the chain coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's start back on the left. Straight down, around at the top and bottom, and then we'll just repeat this all the way down towards the bottom of our page. Just bend that out on the bottom. Now to complete the chain, all we need to do is draw a circle in behind that chain gap. So let's start with the left side. Just going all the way around and then in. Now you want to draw a smaller circle in the center, going in behind. Now we're going to repeat that all the way across the top and side. So we'll start with the outside first. Bottom. Now we're just going to trace out the inside with a smaller circle. Now let's go back and finish off the arms. Starting from the wrist, I'm just going to curl the palm, coming in, around, and then out in behind the chain, just underneath that bottom finger. And then from the bottom of the palm, bend the arm coming in, and then up towards the side of the body. Let's draw that same curve along the inside of the cuff. Now I'm going to add those same spikes across the wrist. Let's start with 2 circles, one on the top and one on the bottom. And then we'll wrap those spikes around the wrist. Let's start from the top, going up and then down, and across the bottom like a V. and I'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Ghostwriter. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You might also want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.